Hello friends, welcome to Crazy Crochet Work. In today's video, I present to you some beautiful crochet tissue box cover designs ideas. Let's start the video. A crochet tissue box cover design is a decorative and functional handmade cover created using crochet techniques to sleep over a standard tissue box. Instead of leaving the plain cardboard or plastic box exposed, a crocheted cover dressed it up, making it part of the home's decor. Here is a breakdown of what it is. Purpose adds beauty and personality to an ordinary tissue box. Blend the tissue box with your room's style, vintage, modern, rustic, or countess, etc. Can be customized with patterns, colors, and pictures to match your decor. Design features: shape usually made to fit rectangular, square, or cube-shaped tissue boxes. Materials: use cotton yarn, acrylic yarn, or even chunky yarn for a cozier look. Patterns can be plain, single-color stitches, lacy openwork, floral appliques, or themed designs like granny skirts, ruffles, or seasonal motifs. Details: some covers have buttons, ribbons, or crochet flowers attached for extra charm. Opening: a slot or decorative hole to add top allows tissue to be pulled out easily. Popular styles: granny square tissue covers, colorful and nostalgic. Floral crochet covers, embellished with roses, daisies, or 3D flowers. Lacy or tiny style covers, light and delicate for a vintage look. A crochet tissue box cover is both practical and artistic, turning something plain into a handmade piece of home decor. Here are more detailed tips for creating and styling crochet tissue box covers. Choose the right yarn, cotton yarn, ideal for a neat, trim look, easy to wash. Acrylic yarn, soft and comes in a wide variety of colors. Chunky yarn or wool yarn creates a cozy textured feel, perfect for rustic or farmhouse decor. Color choices: match your room themes, neutrals for minimalist style, pastels for vintage, bright colors for playful spaces. Select the best stitches, single crochet, but tight and sturdy, great for everyday use. Double or triple crochet creates lacy, airy patterns, good for decorative covers. Shell stitch or bubble stitch adds texture and visual interest. Granny skirts can assemble multiple skirts for a classic or retro look. Measure accurately. Measure your tissue box carefully. Length into width into height. Crochet slightly bigger than the box for an easy fit. If the cover is too tight, it may be hard to put on. Too loose, it looks sloppy. Add decorative elements, crochet flowers or leaves, attached to corner or edge for a 3D effect. Ribbons or lace, tie around the box for a feminine or vintage touch. Buttons or beads can act as fasteners or simple decoration. Make it functional. Ensure the top opening is large enough for tissues to come out smoothly. For frequent use, consider making the top removable or plasticized so you can easily replace the box. Match your decor vintage goddess look. Use pastel yarn, lace-edged, small floral appliques. From house style, use neutral yarn, chunky textures, rustic patterns like baskets or shells. Modern minimal, with solid colors, simple stitches, clean lines. Use different textures, combine smooth and bumpy stitches to make the cover more interesting. Examples: a smooth single crochet for the sides, bubbles or puff stitch for the top. Experiment with shapes. Standard covers are rectangular, but you can also make a square, hexagonal or cylindrical covers for unique tissue boxes. Rounded ends with crochet creases can give a soft, elegant look. Incorporate pockets. Add a small crochet pocket on the side to store small items like hair ties, pins, or remote controls, functional and decorative. Layering and appliques. Layer crochet flowers, leaves, or shapes on top of a plain cover for a 3D effect. Mix small and large appliques to create depth. Combine color creatively. Ombre effect. Gradually change layer color for a soft gradient, stripes or checks. Alternating colors creates a playful or classic pattern. Neutral base with bright accents. Keep it elegant but eye-catching. Personalization. Crochet details or names onto the cover. Great for gifts or guest rooms. Quick fix covers. Make covers with elastic edge to easily slip over boxes of varying sizes. Perfect if you plan to sew covers between rooms or boxes. Care and durability. Washable yarn is ideal, especially for tissue boxes in bathrooms or kitchens. Avoid very loose stitches for durability. Tight stitches keep the cover looking neat. Match room themes. Shubby use soft pastels, lace streams, tulip flowers. Granny chic. Colorful granny scarves with Windows vibes. Rustic farmhouse. Use neutral colors, chunky yarns, simple textures. Modern minimalist. Solid colors, clean lines, subtle textures. Add rings or tassels. Crochet small tassels or rings on the sides or corner for a boho or playful look. Works well with chunky yarn or vibrant colors. Use different stitch patterns for top and sides. Make the sides plain and sturdy, single crochet and the top decorative. Shell, lace or popcorn stitch gives a functional but visually appealing contrast. Crochet lid or flap covers. Make a cover with a removable top or flap to easily replace tissue boxes. Can include a snap button or ribbon tie for a neat finish. Mixed materials. Combine crochet with fabric panels, ribbons or burlap for a rustic or eclectic design. Examples: crochet sides with a lace top or crochet around a fabric box. Mini crochet accessories. Attach small decorative items like tiny crochet bows, hearts or animals to the side. Adds charm, especially in kids' rooms or theme decor. Thank you so much for watching this video. Subscribe our channel. Happy crocheting!